As Malaysia's capital, economic and cultural center, the city of Kuala Lumpur boasts impressive high-rise buildings, including the famous Petronas Twin Towers, which offer spectacular views of the city. The panorama of the city is a testament to its rapid development and growth over the years. Kuala Lumpur is not only known for its modern architecture, but also for its rich history and cultural attractions. The city is home to numerous mosques, temples, and colonial buildings that reflect its multicultural heritage. Travelers can explore historical sites such as Merdeka Square and the Sultan Abdul Samad Building for a glimpse into Malaysia's past. Kuala Lumpur also offers plenty of activities for nature lovers. The city has several beautiful parks such as Taman Tasik Perdana, where visitors can relax among the lush greenery or take a boat ride on the lake. Thus, Kuala Lumpur offers an exciting mix of modernity, culture, history, and natural beauty.